Hello friends. Welcome to the 28th episode of #Backlinks. In the last video I taught you to create do-follow contextual backlinks on 5 HiDA Web 2.0 websites. In today's episode I will teach you to create HiDA GOV and EDU contextual backlinks on 5 USA websites. I hope you must have created all the backlinks so far and your website's SERP ranking has also improved. For better and long-lasting results, you can avail subscription of my daily link building guide. If you are new to #Backlinks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be able to create quality backlinks for your website and improve your website's SERP ranking. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Our first website is the Stanford University website. Here you can create your account by clicking Sign Up. After logging in, you have to go to My Account. After that, click on Personal Information in the Edit option. By scrolling down, you can enter your content and place a contextual backlink in the biography section. By clicking on the Save button, your backlink will be ready, which you can check by clicking on the View option. Our second website is CISL. After registering here, when you log in, you have to click on the profile icon. After that you have to click on the profile option of settings, after which you will be able to edit your profile details. In the introduction field, you can enter your content and place a contextual backlink. By clicking on the Save button, your backlink will be ready, which you can check by clicking on your profile icon. Our third website is an educational website of GitLab. After registering here, when you log in, you have to click on New Project. Name the project in Project Path and select Public in Visibility Level and click on Create Project. After that you have to click on Wiki on the left-hand side, after which you can write your content in the Content section and place the contextual backlink. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on Create Page. Our fourth website is a government website of USA. Here you can sign up with your Google account. After logging in, you have to create your CV. You will be taken to the Create a New Document section where you have to name your document, select Public and Sharing, and click on the Create button. You will see a Personal Statement section that you can edit. Write your content, and place a contextual backlink using the Markdown format. You can check the URL of the backlink in the address bar above. Last but not the least, our fifth website is the Drexel University website. After registering here, when you log in, you have to click on Edit Account. After that you can create your first contextual backlink in the signature field. By clicking on Save Changes, your backlink will be ready, which you can check by clicking on Overview. To create another backlink, You have to click on Create New Topic. You will see a field for Describe Your Topic, where you can write your content and place a contextual backlink. By clicking on the post, your second backlink will also be ready, which you can check by going to your profile page. How was today's episode? You can post your doubts, demands, and suggestions in the comment section below, or ask on the WhatsApp group of #backlinks. Let's meet in the next video with something informative and something very interesting.